So you drive a Nissan Navara NP300. Great choice because they're tough, they're reliable, and they're great for all kinds of adventures. But if you're anything like me, you're probably always wanting to upgrade your four-wheel drive to be even better. Today we're going to be talking about lift kits for the Navara, and specifically the ones from Formula 4x4. On this table here, I have something to suit everyone, whether it's going off on the gnarly tracks, caravanning with your NP300, or maybe you just want your Navara to sit a little bit taller and ride a little bit more comfortable. There's definitely something here on this table that's going to suit your application. So let's start with the big guns on this table, which is the FRemote R shocks lift kit. Now, these are for people that want high performance out of their shocks and they want the best of the best. What that means is you get a remote reservoir on the shock, which is going to give you better cooling efficiency, especially when your suspension's working overtime. You're also going to get adjustability. So you've got three-way adjustment on the front, and then you've got two-way adjustment on the rear. Now, what I mean by this is you have height adjustment on the front between 2 to 3 inches of lift. You've also then got high speed and low speed compression adjustment, and then you've also got rebound adjustment. Now on the rears, it's two-way adjustment because you don't have any height adjustment on these because there's no springs to adjust. So you just have your high speed and low speed compression and then your rebound adjustment. These shocks are perfect for someone that's wanting to fine tune their suspension, whether that's because they're going to be hitting gnarly tracks all the time or because they're going to have a lot of dynamic load changes on the vehicle and you're going to be loading up and then taking that load back off. And you can really dial in the settings with these shocks to get the comfort and the feel or the response from them that you need for your application. These shocks are really good at reliability as well because they're built out of aviation grade alloy, plus Formula 4x4 is so confident they have backed them with a 5-year unlimited kilometer warranty. So basically the FRR kit is going to take your Navara from a good off-road vehicle to an unstoppable off-road vehicle. And honestly, I'm a little bit biased because I do have FRR shocks in my own personal four-wheel drive, but they do speak for themselves. If you've ever seen them in person and seen the build quality, or maybe you've been lucky enough to be in a vehicle that's had them fitted already, and then you get to feel the difference of how compliant and nice these shocks are to be in your vehicle and how controlled everything does feel. Not everyone's going to be looking for that high level of adjustment and performance though from their shocks when they're looking for a new lift kit. And that is where a normal Formula 4x4 lift kit comes in. It's going to give you that 2 inches of lift for better clearance when you're off-road. Plus also it's a lot more nicer and smoother on-road and helps control your vehicle a lot better off-road compared to your OEM shocks. The shocks are also built to handle anything the Aussie conditions can throw at them, and they come with that same 5-year unlimited kilometer warranty, so it gives you peace of mind that these shocks are built to last. The standard Formula 4x4 lift kit is suited for anyone that's wanting to maybe do their first upgrades to their off-road vehicle, and maybe they're just getting into off-roading and they want that sort of kit. Or it's suited for someone that wants a no fuss, no extra componentry sort of lift kit that's going to give them exactly what they're after, which is that 2-inch lift, ride better, be more comfortable, and handle the off-road conditions. So let's dive in and see exactly what we get with these kits for the NP300 model. Now with the FRR kit, you're going to obviously get your front struts, which are height adjustable between that 2 to 3 inches of lift. You also will get a reservoir mounting bracket to help mount the reservoirs on the front in a specific location, which is outlined in our instructions for these kits. On the rear, you're going to be getting your rear shocks with the reservoirs already attached to the shock body, and then also your rear coil springs. Now for the NP300, there's a few extra additional things that we're going to be throwing into the kit as well to make sure everything's running great, everything's all good, and you're not going to have any issues. And this includes a bunch of different brackets and extensions for your sway bar links, your headlight adjusters, and also brake lines. So that's going to make sure everything's going to be at the correct lengths and sitting in the right spot, and nothing's going to be fouling or being stretched and pulled. We're also going to be giving you some offset lower control arm bushes to help correct the camber and caster on these vehicles, because without this we found that there's a lot of issues with alignment just straight away on all of the NP300 models. Without some sort of correction on the lower control arms, you're just not going to have enough adjustment once you lift these. And also for the standard Formula sort of kits, you'll also get these trim spacers to help make sure that that front end of the vehicle is sitting at a nice point and sitting quite level with that rear end. Because being a ute, it's going to have a taller rear end from factory, so we want to try and help still keep that little bit of a rake, but help level that vehicle out a little bit more once that lift does go in. So it doesn't really matter whether you're going to be getting a FRR or a standard lift kit from Formula 4x4. The kit will come with everything you need for the vehicle straight away. in order to make sure that everything's going to just work out of the box. So you'll get these lower control arm bushes and all of these bracketry, and then only with the standard formula kit you'll get this trim spacer, because the FRRs have the ability to be adjusted on the front in order to help trim that out. There's also available from Formula 4x4 a height adjustable standard lift kit. So the lift kit's going to have the same sort of style of shocks as your standard lift kit you've seen here on this table, but there is one major difference, which is this spring seat. It's a height adjustable spring seat, and how we do that is there's multiple certain grooves in the strut itself, which we're able to locate the spring seat on using a circlip and a grub screw to retain the spring seat's location. Now, what that enables us to do is fine tune the height of the vehicle on the front to really level it out. Plus, we're also to fine tune the preload on the spring to be able to really maximize the potential of that spring with the weight you're carrying on the front, whether that's like bull bars or winches, things like that. So if it was my pick and I was going for the standard lift kit, I'd be going for the height adjustable struts. It's only a little bit extra, but ultimately there's major benefits of getting a height adjustable strut compared to a fixed spring seat strut. Now, if you are wanting the absolute best in terms of height adjustment on the front and preload adjustment on the front, you definitely want to go the FRRs, because ultimately using grooves at set positions, whereas on the FRRs we're really able to fine tune and dial it in exactly where we want. Now, before I forget, there is a couple optional extras you can get with these kits depending on what you're going to be using your vehicle for. Now, to start off with, you've got the upper control arms. What these upper control arms will do is correct your alignment of the vehicle once you have lifted the car. I do know I did say that the lower control arm bushes that you get with the kit does this as well. It corrects your camber and caster. The upper control arm is taking into account that you have got these lower control arm bushes, so don't stress, but this will just improve it further. We do recommend getting these when you're doing your 2 to 3 inches of lift, and you're going to be adding bigger tires, and you're also going to be likely hitting your car quite hard off-road, because once again, the standard control arm is not as strong. It's going to have clearance issues with the struts. The ball joint is not a greasable ball joint, so you can't service it and maintain it. And also the ball joint on the standard upper control arms isn't a high articulation ball joint, so you get reduced articulation from that control arm itself. So I would definitely recommend getting upper control arms when you're doing this lift. Now, we also have airbags available for the NP300, and what these are really good for is helping anyone that's got dynamic loads. And what I mean by that is loading up the vehicle every now and then. So you might be loading it up to go away camping with a couple hundred extra kilos, or you're loading on the ball weight of your camper trailer or caravan onto the vehicle every now and then. You're going to want to assist your coil springs, making sure that the rear end's not sagging down and hitting bump stops and things like that. So this is where the airbags will come in handy to help your coil springs sit a little bit nicer, sit exactly where they're meant to be sitting, and just assist them essentially carrying that extra load. Because what happens is you're picking a coil spring that's suiting your weight most of the time. So let's say 80% of the time you're unloaded or you only have X amount of weight in your vehicle, the coil springs will suit that. But then when you go over that weight, the coil springs obviously aren't designed to handle that anymore. They're going to sag down, you're not going to have the best ride performance, and that's where the airbags come in. They're going to assist those to be able to handle that extra weight. It is super important to note as well that if you have a 2018 onwards Navara or NP300, the upper control arms will come standard in the lift kit. So you won't actually have this as an optional extra. It's going to be already included in the lift kit, because those model NP300s, that 2018 onwards, requires the upper control arms to be changed out when you do the lift. Otherwise, you're going to run into all sorts of clearance issues. The kit's just not going to work properly. You're going to have a lot of problems. And so to rectify that, we don't sell the kits for the 2018 onwards models without the upper control arms and the lower control arm bushes. You just need them. So it's just something to keep in mind when you go to look at these kits and you see a price difference between the pre-2018 model NP300 kits and the 2018 onwards kits. It's because the upper control arm is included already in the price for the 2018 onwards model kits. Now, if you don't really want to install all of these components yourself at home on the ground, or on like your own maybe hoist at home, if you're lucky enough to have a hoist, I completely understand. There's a lot of different extra components going on here with this particular kit in this particular car. Especially if you're going the FRR route, there's a lot of fine tuning you need to do to be able to get that car sitting correctly. Initially, when you first put the shocks in, there is a really simple service online when you order this kit called Click and Fit. So during checkout, once you've selected all your kits and all the optional extras you want in the spring rates, you'll see an option for Click and Fit. You'll then be able to select one of our stores, which we have over 190 across Australia to be able to be selected. So I'm sure we have one near you. Now, from that point on, what happens is the parts get sent to that store. We then, part of our Click and Fit concierge team, will contact you and find out what date suits you to be able to get booked into the workshop. We'll then reach out to that workshop, get you booked in, and you'll just rock up to your workshop date. Parts will get installed by that workshop. They'll do a wheel alignment as well. Plus then you also get a complimentary 1000K check after you've had the kit fitted to ensure that everything's responding correctly and all the bolts are torqued up to spec still, as everything does settle. So it is important to re-torque your bolts at 1000Ks. That's the option I would go if you're not feeling 100% confident, but you can obviously still have this kit installed by yourself. We do include instructions in all of these kits on how to install them and what to do with all of the components to get them set up correctly. So there you go. And whether or not you're looking for a high performance lift kit from the FRemote range, or maybe you're just after a really solid lift kit, so you're gonna get the standard Formula 4x4 kit, we have something for you and we've got your Navara covered. And if you have any questions regarding anything in this video today, feel free to leave them down below in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer them for you as best as I can. And also, if you want to check out one of these kits, you can head over to the Fulcrum website at fulcrumsuspensions.com.au and check out the kits there. So go on guys, get your Navara, its new piece of kit, ready for its next adventure, and I'll see you guys out there on the tracks. Catch you next time.